What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Michael Schaefer. Today we're back with another video and we got a special guest star today. Introducing the one and only
Cameron Dodge. Oh no, I'm acting. I had to get off.
He's not as good as me. He's not as professional.
No, so, I had to get up at 7 in the morning.
Excuses. But today we are cooking a very special meal. Today we are cooking pizza. Homemade pizza. The bread on it, it's not scratch bread. It's, store-bought bread. But the rest of it, we're just making it from here. And I got it all laid out right here. I'm going to show you what it is. Alright, before we get too far into the video, go down below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And let's get started. So the first thing we got our pizza crust. We got a smaller package. We got 3 in there, so we can make 3 pizzas. We got our pizza blend cheese from Walmart. We got our ground beef, because we're going to make a hamburger pizza. And then we got pepperoni, because we're going to make a pepperoni pizza. This is going to be a good meal. The first thing we're going to have to do on this, really, is cook our ground beef. Which, that's really the hardest part about this. And we got to get our oven ready. Which it has to be on 350, I think. Oh, 425. So we got to get that ready, too. Let's go. Alright, I got my pan on. It's warming up. I got our oven on, so that way it can get warmed up. Now it's time to take our hamburger meat and throw it on. So first thing I'm going to do, chop, if I can. Try and rip the package open. There we go. Now I know why I couldn't get that. Throw that in the sink. Oh, it fell on the floor. I'll pick it up here in a second. Get that open. There we go. There we go. Hear that sizzle. Little crack pop. Alright. There we go. Alright, so while that's cooking, we gotta open this up and get this ready for our hamburger meat and everything else. Alright there. First thing we gotta do, open it up. Get out all 3. Set them just like this. Alright, so we're gonna put our pizza sauce on. We got pizza sauce with cheese, but we're gonna add cheese to it also. Let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, now it's open. So we're gonna take our pizza sauce and just pour a little bit on each one. Feel like that. Then we're gonna take our spoon, get that mixed all around, spread it all over. I am no pizza maker, as you can see. I do not work pizza, I work fast food. I do everything fast.
I do know a pizza maker.
And now we got all of that sauce on, and it's looking good. Maybe add a little more. There we go. Now we're done with that. Now it's time to add cheese. Alright, we got our pizza blend cheese. We're gonna open it up. Get it all spread out. Throw a little bit on there. A little bit on this one. A little bit on this one. Alright. Now we're just gonna add a whole bunch because I got plenty of cheese to go around. There we go. Now we add our toppings. Alright, we're going to start off by making one of these our pepperoni pizza, which will be this one right here, because I, for some reason, just started throwing pepperoni on it just now. Alright, there we go. Now it's time to do the second one. Alright, our hamburger meat's done. So we're now going to take our hamburger meat and throw it on our pizza. We're just going to kind of give it a little wiggle. Get a little more wiggle. And a little more of a wiggle. Now we got a fully covered pizza that's going to be turned into a hamburger pizza. And then I added more cheese on this because this is going to be our cheese pizza. Get that ketchup. Get on a nice shook. Then we just go like this. Then we take our mustard, shake it all up, open it up, go whoop. Now we got mustard on there, and now we take our cheese and we throw it on there also. All right, now that we got cheese on that, we're gonna take our shredded cheese again and add a little bit to this one, add a lot more to this cheese one, and then add a little bit to this one. And now we get it thrown in the oven. All right, our pizza's done. Let's pull it out. Woo, that stuff looks good. Look at that. Looks amazing. And now it's time to cut. All right, are you ready to taste this?
Yeah.
How do you think it's gonna come out?
Good. I've had your
let's see
cooking
you
before.
taste it. Oh.
That is really good.
Say that one more time.
That is really good.
Am I the best around?
For home cook, yes.
Am I better than Gordon Ramsay?
Never had his food, so I don't know.
Ah, I'm not no Gordon Ramsay. I say that all the time. That is one good slice of pizza.
I will say, the mustard overpowers the ketchup by a lot. But even though you can't taste the ketchup, still really good.
All right. You guys heard it here from the one and only Cameron today. If you don't care, go down below, hit that like button if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And leave a comment on the next video on what you want to see cooked, what you want to learn how to cook, or anything like that. Don't forget, I'm not Gordon Ramsay, so I'm not going to go wild. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.